My name is Yolanda Fisher. I'm a cafeteria manager at T.W. Brown Middle School in Dallas, Texas. I've been doing that job for 26 years. And doing that job, I noticed that a lot of kids are going hungry. And a lot of kids are coming to school dirty, in need of a lot of things. You know, sometimes clothes, sometimes, just to wash their face. Sometimes they need school supplies. They need, even when we feed them breakfast, lunch, dinner, but we have also been having them to give them food to go home with, to eat at night, just to get them through the next day. And on the weekends, we give them a backpack full of food just to get them through the weekend. So I noticed it has increased, the longer I have been there. During the pandemic, we stepped up to feed the kids while the school was closed. But we noticed that a lot of adults was going hungry. So we also started feeding adults. And when I first started, we didn't know how great the need was. So the meals I was making, it started out with just 75 meals. And every week it would go up. It went up to 300. Then it went up to 400. Then it went up to 6. And then it went up to 8. I got up to 1,400 meals. So as a society, as Americans, we need to help our neighbors. As a country, we said we're the land of plenty, but it's not looking like plenty. We need to do better, making sure that everybody has everything that they need. Just the basic needs of life.